Collective LLC review usage experience. Collective is an all-in-one financial platform tailored for freelancers and solopreneurs, particularly those earning about $80,000 or more annually. It offers services such as LLC formation, which is health crop election, bookkeeping, payroll, and tax assistance, aiming to streamline business operation for independent professionals. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a business formation, bookkeeping and accounting, payroll management, and tax preparation and filing. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro of this platform is that they have a comprehensive service which offer a suited service that cover various aspects of business management, reducing the need to engage multiple service providers, and also tax saving, and also offer a user-friendly interface from their platform and educational resources. And here the downside about this platform, which is the cost. The service is priced at $299 per month, which may be a significant expense for some freelancers or small business owners. However, this fee is a tax deductible, and also customers service delay with communication challenges and service consistency. And here the overall verdict about this platform. Collective present is a compelling solution for freelancers and solopreneurs seeking to simplify their business finances, particularly achieve tax saving through a S-crop election. The platform, comprehensive service, and user-friendly interface are significant advantages. However, consideration regarding cost and reported customer service issue could be taken into account. Prospective users should elevate their specific business need and financial capacity to determine if Collective align with their objective.